You know when you see a performance car just fire through its gears with these lightning-fast, seamless shifts? Well, chances are you're looking at a car with a Direct-Shift Gearbox, or a DSG. So what exactly is the secret sauce behind this technology? Let's get into it.
For ages when you went to buy a car, there was really just one big choice to make about how you wanted to drive it. Were you a manual person, someone who loves the feeling of control, working the clutch and shifter, or were you firmly in the automatic camp, happy to let the car handle the gears, especially in that stop-and-go traffic?
And look, this choice always came with a trade-off, right? A manual gave you that direct connection, and usually it was a bit better on fuel. But boy, your left leg would get a serious workout in the city. On the other hand, the old-school automatics were super comfortable, but they often felt kinda slushy and slow, and they definitely weren't as efficient. But what if you didn't have to choose? What if you could get the sharp, instant response of a manual, but with all the easy driving comfort of an automatic? Well, that is exactly the promise behind the Direct-Shift Gearbox. This was meant to be the best of both worlds. Okay, so what is it officially? A DSG is an electronically controlled dual-clutch gearbox. Now, I know that sounds like a mouthful, but from your perspective in the driver's seat, it's dead simple. You've got two pedals, a gear selector. It feels just like any other automatic. But under the skin, that's where the real magic is happening. All right, let's really dive into how this thing works, because the idea at the heart of it is actually brilliant and surprisingly simple. This is how the DSG delivers that incredible performance.
And here it is, this is the big aha moment. A DSG is basically two separate manual gearboxes with their own clutches packed into one case. Think of it like this. It's like Netflix preloading the next episode of your show while you're still watching the current one. It's just ready to go, instantly. No buffering.
So here's how they split it up. One of those internal gearboxes handles all the odd-numbered gears, so first, third, fifth, and seventh. The other one takes care of all the even-numbered gears, second, fourth, sixth, and reverse too. And each one has its very own clutch. This split is the whole key to making it so fast. So you've got two gearboxes, ready and waiting, but how does it actually make the swap? Well, this is where the real genius of the system comes into play. It's all about its ability to think one step ahead of you. Let's say you're accelerating in first gear. The car's brain, this really clever computer they call the Mechatronics unit, is already anticipating your next move. It goes ahead and pre-selects second gear on that other gearbox. So second gear is already engaged, it's just waiting for its clutch to be activated. Then, when it's time to shift, the computer does this incredible little swap. It disengages the first clutch while simultaneously engaging the second one. And the result? A gear change in less than 0.04 of a second. There is zero noticeable loss of power. It is just absolutely seamless.
Okay, so that is some seriously clever engineering. But what does it actually mean for you when you're behind the wheel? Let's talk about the real-world benefits, because this is where it all comes together.
Well, for starters, let's talk about fuel efficiency. For decades, we all just knew that automatics were the thirsty option. But DSGs totally flipped that script. I mean, just look at this example from a VW Golf. The DSG's fuel economy is right there, neck and neck with the manual. This was a huge deal. It was one of the first times an automatic was a real option for people who cared about MPG.
So the advantages are pretty compelling, right? You're getting those ultra-fast, super smooth shifts. You get constant acceleration with no interruption of power, and you get fuel economy that's actually competitive with a manual. Oh, and of course, it makes driving in heavy traffic way, way more relaxing. But you know how it goes. With any piece of advanced tech, there's always another side to the story. All that speed and smoothness, it comes from a lot of complexity, and that has its own set of consequences. First things first, the price tag. On most cars, choosing the DSG gearbox is going to cost you extra. To stick with our VW Golf example, you're looking at about £1,400 more, and that's not exactly pocket change when you're already buying a new car. And it's not just the initial cost. You have to think about the long run. A DSG is a very complex piece of machinery. You've got two clutches, fancy electronics, hydraulics, the whole shebang. It needs regular servicing, and that involves some pretty expensive, specialized fluids. And to be fair, while they're mostly reliable now, some of the earlier versions did run into problems that could lead to some eye-watering repair bills. And yeah, that complexity has led to some well-known issues over the years. Back in 2009, there was a recall in the US because cars were shifting into neutral by themselves. Then in 2013, there were widespread complaints in China that led to another big recall. And even more recently, in 2019, a recall in Australia for a fault that could cause a loss of power.
Now, it's really important to say the overall failure rate is low, but these things have happened. So we've looked at the good and the bad. We've seen the brilliant engineering, but we've also seen the potential downsides. Now, let's just pull it all together so you can figure out if a DSG is the right choice for you.
Really, it just boils down to this. The big idea? 2 gearboxes working together as one. The secret trick? It pre-selects the next gear so shifts are instantaneous. And the trade-off is pretty clear. You get absolutely incredible performance and smoothness, but it comes at the cost of, well, higher cost and a lot more complexity.
And that really leads us to the final question, the one you have to answer for yourself. Is that amazing, seamless performance of a DSG worth the cost and the complex engineering that lies underneath? Now, hopefully, you're a little better equipped to make that call.